Hello everybody, this is Brian back with the Vechain VET token update. We're up 4.35% as I'm doing this video, and we are at 0.024 cents. And we're having a nice green day in the crypto market. Pretty much everything's up. This is Vechain on the daily. I got a nice article, couple articles to go over with you, and then we're going to dig a little deeper into this chart. We're going to break it down to the 4 hour and see what's going on here. We have some price targets up here we haven't quite reached yet, and I'm going to dig into those. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here every day, and we go over more than just one coin. I cover 10 to 15 different coins, and the reason I do, not everybody holds just one cryptocurrency. Most people have 3, 4, 10, 20 different cryptos. So if you're interested maybe in another crypto, check out one of my other videos I do on one of the other cryptocurrencies and see if it piques any of your interest. But Vechain is a big favorite of mine. I've been following VET for 4 years now, and this company has been doing massive things. But here's two of my favorites: Cardano versus Vechain. Which crypto could reach $1 first? And the article goes on here. Let me get rid of these pop-ups. Vechain and Cardano are two popular crypto projects aiming for the $1 mark. However, both projects are still a long way from their respective goals. Cardano has fallen 89 cents from its all-time high of $3.09, which it attained in August of 2021. On the other hand, Vechain is down 91% from its all-time high. Now, when we went in our last bear market, these sound like big numbers, and they are. But our last bear market, the average crypto, an altcoin fell was like 95%. So these things do take big dives in the bear market, and when the bull market comes back around is when we get our leg up, and it's not uncommon to be down this much. This doesn't mean these projects are failing. This is perfectly normal for a bear market. Okay, it says, while Cardano has surpassed the $1 mark in the past, Vechain has not established that feat. Nonetheless, both projects have set their sights on this common goal, and I think both of them are pretty similar to circulating supply of tokens and everything else. So big things ahead for both these companies. But let's go on down here. Press time ADA was trading at 32 cents, down 2.5% in the last 24 hours. VET, on the other hand, was trading at 2 cents, down 2.8% in the same time frame. It goes on the article. I'm not going to read this whole article. If you want to read the whole thing, you can go to watcher.guru and read the whole article there. Pretty good article we put together. But down at the end down here, it says, given by the data, it is likely that Cardano will reach the $1 mark ahead of Vechain. However, there's also the possibility of VET's initiatives kicking off and bringing in massive gains for the project. How their plans unfold, we will have to wait and see. Yeah, Cardano is already at 30 cents, so Vechain at 2 cents. I believe the dollar mark for the next bull run. I think we're in a bull leg right now. I don't believe we're in a bull run, but I think in a bull run, I think Vechain will have no problem hitting that dollar mark. I thought it would do it the last bull run, but didn't quite get there. And I got another article here. U.S. banking cutoff presents opportunities for crypto in Europe. With Silvergate and Signature, the two biggest crypto banks, being shut down. It's a pretty massive blow to the crypto market there, and Bitcoin showed it. We took a beat there, about a week and a half ago in terms of pricing, and Europe is a lot more lenient, and they have regulatory clarity over there. They have a thing called MiCA, which is the Markets and Crypto Assets Act, and paints a stark contrast to the ambiguity in the United States, where firms face new regulatory headwinds seemingly every day. This creates an increasingly challenging environment for the operations of any crypto organization. For new and existing market entrants, this is going to be a significant consideration. I know when Ripple got sued by the SEC, I clearly remember that. I almost remember it to the day. But I know they talked about uprooting and heading to Europe, and Europe's very attractive for a lot of these companies just for that simple fact, and really can't blame them. The United States really got to get on the ball here and get some clarity for these companies, and as they don't pick up shop and head over there. Europe's a beautiful place. I mean, it's very enticing, obviously, for these companies. So if they want to keep these jobs in the U.S., I believe it's huge. They need to get that done. But the crypto fear and greed index, the market cap is $1,225,000,000,000. This is for the whole crypto market. Volume is down 7.72%. It was up like 70% yesterday, the volume. So I think a lot of buyers came in there yesterday. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.69%, and the market sentiment is at 63 in greed. The biggest winners and losers for the day, you can see Conflux up top, 15%, Frac Share, mostly single digit losses over there in the red. The trending coins on the left, FTX and Bitcoin, are at the top. Vechain is here, and the biggest gainers, 3.08, number 7 in the middle. And the biggest reason I cover Bitcoin in all my videos, Bitcoin leads this market. If you haven't been in crypto a long time or anything, if you're just getting in here, Bitcoin was the very first cryptocurrency. It holds the market share of the money. And when it goes on a bull run, that is what brings the money in, and then the money trickles down to the altcoin market. And that's when we have our alt season, and that's when the market really kicks off for the altcoins. So always root for Bitcoin. You want to see it doing well, because if something did happen and say Bitcoin goes to zero tomorrow, that's a lot of money that's gone out of this market, and the cryptocurrency market would be on the brink of, if not go totally under, it would be on the brink of it, like real fast. So root for Bitcoin. That is a you might have your own opinions about each certain crypto, but you always want to see Bitcoin doing well. And today, actually, because I know how strong this thing is to the market, we put price targets up here, like a week ago for this thing when the prices were down here, and it's come up and got into them price targets now. Made a higher high today on the daily, which you definitely want to see in an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. So Bitcoin's looking great, and might turn out to be a pretty decent week this week. Sunday evenings are usually pretty decent for the crypto market, so might see some real action this evening. But let's get into this. Let's break this down to the 4-hour on VET. You can see the 4-hour RSI down there at the bottom is getting to the top, which a lot of other coins I cover, the 4-hour is actually at the bottom, so I'm kind of shocked by that. But the 1-hour RSI is it's rolling over, so it looks like we're more than likely probably going to come down and bounce on this trend line for a while and consolidate. You can see this trend line, how we've been respecting it this whole time. I apologize, let me zoom out here a little bit so you can see this better. There we go. Right here you can see, right here when we broke out of this down sloping resistance here, how we've been riding on this trend line ever since. And I definitely expect us to get up into them price areas I have. And the biggest reason is not just because I think it will or will it to. It's you put a Fibonacci on this, and the Fibonacci is always, especially in the crypto market, you usually always at least retrace to the 618. The 702 and the 786, if you make it through there, you're looking at higher price targets up there in these Fibonacci extensions. But we need to get up in this range up here before we make up our mind if we're going to consolidate longer, do a correction down, or what's going to go on here. So Vechain's been kind of stalling out here the last few days. That's why I really haven't done a video on it the last couple days, because it's kind of been just stalling out in there. We need some buy volume to come in here, and we need Bitcoin to be doing well. That brings, like I said, that brings the money in, and then that's distributed through the rest of the altcoins. That gets people interested in crypto. Then they start digging into what else is involved with cryptocurrency, and obviously our altcoins, and big companies like Vechain doing fantastic, huge things. So I'm going to keep an eye on this price the rest of the night, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here every day. And got a great group in here. Super, super people. Nothing but positive comments. And I am very happy to be a part of this group. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night.